Hey guys, Nolan, MarineMax Rogers here. I'm in the shed here with a 230 Solstice from Harris Pontoons, and I'm going to show you some of the features on the outside, and then we'll hop inside and check out the interior. See here this boat, white and black. It's got the new halo arch. It's a forward-facing bimini. It is not a towable arch. And it is safe to be up for up to 45 miles per hour, and it does fold down forward for bridge clearance as well. So it's a new option that's available. You can see here the lifting strakes on the outside of the pontoon. Looking at the inside here, you've got lifting strakes on both pontoons, full skirting, tri-tune, door on the front, folding cleats. This is a 230 Solstice. Come around the side here. You got the 250 Verado from Mercury, stainless prop. You got speakers back here, stereo control, plug-in for the battery charger. Fuel fill is right in the center there. You have a lily pad ladder and fender holders, railings. We'll hop up inside here and check out the interior. As we climb up the boat here, you can see this one is a sun lounger, dual helm chair option. As well, it is a dual battery switch in here. Dual captain's chairs, JL audio, switches here, gauges and a SIMRAD, in-floor storage. You also have this table option here. Folding table comes up out of there as well. Through the bow seating, nice spacious seating. Accent stitching. It's a great boat. Come out to MarineMax Rogers, check it out.